Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best powered tower speakers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Polk Audio Floorstanding Tower Speaker. Although this model speaker doesn't typically come in twos, a pair of T50s will still be one of the best budget choices for a home entertainment system. The speaker features Dolby DTS Surround Sound technology for an articulated soundstage. Each speaker has a 1 tweeter, one 6.5 mid-range driver, and 2 6.5 bass radiators. The radiators help create a warm and natural sound of far-reaching potential. Due to the detail of the sound, you can use these speakers for your movie night, music, and all your console gaming needs. Users can create an outstanding home theater system when they use a pair of the T50 tower speakers with a subwoofer, T30 central channel, and 2 T15 bookshelf speakers. You aren't limited to using it with other Polk products because these tower speakers will work with most home theater AV receivers. You can settle for a 3.0, 2.1, or 3.1 channel setup or go the extra mile and invest in an immersive 5.1, 7.1, or 9.1 channel setup. The cross-brand compatibility that comes with Polk is among their best selling points, but, in the case of this model, affordable pricing is also a notable selling point. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sony 3-way speaker. Another excellent budget option is this one. It will only cost you about $456 for a pair. These tower speakers are fantastic to have, whether you'll use them for listening to your top tunes or binge watching your favorite Netflix show. Users can expect full-frequency, high-resolution audio with these speakers because of their 3-way, coaxial, 4-driver system. These speakers also deliver deep, stable bass and detailed mid-range frequencies because of their dual 5.12 woofers. It promises an expansive soundstage with accurate high frequencies thanks to its tweeter and super tweeter. It will always bring you crisp and clear sound since it has an optimized crossover componentry. The speakers won't have distracting noise coming from their cabinet and baffle board because they have slightly tapered faceplate edges. For those who want the ultimate 5.1.2 channel home theater system setup, you can pair these tower speakers with their SSCS 8 center channel speaker, SSCSE Dolby Atmos enabled speakers, SAX 9 subwoofer, and SSCS 5 bookshelf speakers. Customers will have to purchase the tower speakers one by one since they don't sell them as a pair, but they offer a bundle wherein you get a receiver with the speakers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Klipsch Reference Premier Floorstanding Speaker. These speakers are not new by any means. However, they have stood the test of time thanks to their deep tones, rich sound, and very clean and detailed harmonics. The speakers are perhaps more suitable for medium to large rooms. 98 dB is a high sensitivity rating, especially at this price point. The high power handling is impressive, too, with the speakers working best with amps between 150-600 W. The speakers feature a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter with a hybrid Tractrix horn and 2 8-spun copper cerametallic woofers. The large woofer helps deliver outstanding bass performance, even though it comes at a slight cost of mid-range articulation. It has a bass reflex achieved through its rear-facing Tractrix port and dual binding posts for bi-amp/bi-wire. When it comes to the crossover, it's not the best fit. That's because the sweet spot is on the narrow side. That only limits the speakers in particular room arrangements. Klipsch is also known for having some compatibility issues with other brands, and a poor pairing could significantly diminish the high sensitivity. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SVS Prime Pinnacle Floorstanding Speaker. Designed for amplifiers up to 300 W and with a genuine sensitivity of 88 dB, these tower speakers are all about power and detail. The combination of a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, a 5.25 mid-range driver, and 3 6.5 woofers delivers excellent articulation and a lot of power. What makes the soundstage unique is perhaps the balance between lows, mids, and highs, with each register getting the detail it deserves. Another defining feature is the wide sweet spot, courtesy of the 3-way crossover design, that allows for an expansive soundstage with accurate spatial imaging and an exceptionally immersive experience. The fact that each driver features its own unique fine-tuning is also worth mentioning. For those who like getting technical, the SVS Prime Pinnacle has a rated bandwidth of 29 Hz, 25 kHz, +/3 dB. The only minor downside is that the SVS Prime Pinnacle speakers depend a lot on the quality of the amplifier. Cheap amps won't give you the best audio quality, even if they provide the desired wattage. These tower speakers are far from cheap because they will cost you $899 each or $1,798 for a pair. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Wharfedale Diamond 12. 3 speaker. It's hard not to be impressed with this model at first glance because of its sleek and premium design. Purchasing a pair of these tower speakers would cost you $998. You can expect better power and presence from this speaker. It's a 2-channel hi-fi system that has a 2.5-way system configuration featuring exception crossover technology. The speakers are equipped with dual 5 clarity drivers that deliver tremendous impact with your sound while still having refined bass and mid-range frequencies. It also promises smooth and open extended high frequencies thanks to its 1-dome tweeter. The clarity cone material used for these speakers decreases any flexing by adding stiffness. The cone's low damping capabilities can achieve expressive dynamics and low coloration. As its voice coil travels, you would rarely notice the inductance variations effects because of its precision-made magnet system with an aluminum compensation ring. It features a crossover network that utilizes an acoustic LKR 24 dB topology. Its air core inductors are excellent at producing the lowest distortion possible and are usually found in even more premium speakers. The speakers have intelligent spot bracing that serves as the connector of the opposite walls inside. It helps you achieve an optimal reduction of the resonance of its cabinet. The brand used computer simulation to model these braces with top-notch precision. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.